One of the main.
I have the card. African shea butter.
That's only the benefits that you want.
Finally made it to Dania. We are at the Yellow Green Farmers Market. Hi! You say hi? Happy New Year! Ooh. They have some of the best coffees and
Definitely recommend Sweet and Ice cold brew coffee, and they also sell all natural energy drinks. Energy drinks. And as you could tell, it is such a vibe over there. They was having a good time. If they see it, they gonna touch it. Every time we come here, this girl must bang these drums.
Mama, let's go get some fruits. This is what I want. Some passion fruit. And they have green guavas.
A couple months ago, the farmers market was feeling themselves because the prices were ridiculous. They were charging like 2 or 3 bananas for $5. No. But I guess people wasn't buying, so the prices went back down. And now Publix is taxing. And y'all know I love me some Publix, but no. Publix charging $12 for damn 6 eggs. I'm not doing it. I love me my fruits. Y'all know I love to juice, so I'm going to try to get back on the juicing.
Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Panganat.
I know y'all call them pomegranate, but in Jamaica we call them panganat.
Tambourines. Two for $8. Get out of the way, please.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Back up.
So we have the one with turmeric and the one without, which is all natural raw. And we also have a light turmeric. If you want.
African shea butter.
That one's it has all the benefits that you want.
Yeah.
It's just light in color.
This shop is ducked off in the corner, but she sells all natural soaps, oils, body butters, and of course she has the sage and Palo Santos. My husband was looking for shea butter, so he got what he wanted. Honestly, I don't like the smell of shea butter. Unpopular opinion, I guess, but it smells horrible to me. But her stuff is really good. I do recommend.
They got the money plants.
Don't ask me why my child was quacking like a duck this whole time. And I was trying to find this man to buy the money plant, but Buddy was dodging like he was hiding. He didn't want to get this money. Anyways, he ended up coming out and I got me a money plant, so that'll work. Listen, I'm gonna stop taking reviews from people on Instagram. This girl recommended the oyster bar. She gave it a 10 out of 10. Baby, it was like a 5. And it was hella expensive, $30 for 6. Nope, don't do it.
One thing about shea butter is it smells so yucky. You know, when you mix it with a friend, but by itself, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The one thing, it smells gross.
She has, I told her I have, yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. That comes from there. That's where it's from. One of the main.
Ow. So this is the oysters.
I want to go over there.
This one is truffle, Louisiana, and I think it just, oh, this one is like pasta, truffle, and Louisiana.
I think I'm gonna go back and give them another try and not just write them off just yet. I'm thinking now, maybe because it was the end of the night that they were rushing and wrapping up, but they did char them. They were very char. They taste like charcoal. The truffle was pretty good, but I think it's just the truffle oil. The truffle one was the best. The Louisiana one, it was a miss. And then they made a spaghetti one, like a pasta one. I don't know, like why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that to oysters? No.
Finally made it to Dania Point.
So this is one of the new hangout spot here in Fort Lauderdale or Broward County. It's called Dania Point. They have shops, restaurants, improv. They have bars, theater. What else we found? Oh, they have this nice strip where it's the fake grass and lights, and you can take your kids out there or just go out for a date night. It was so beautiful and romantic. Like, I really want to go back with just me and my husband because it was really a vibe.
Either the lychee or the tropical paradise. Which one do you recommend? Which one is popular? More popular? Yeah, the lychee. Alright, let's go with that. You don't want one? Yeah. Huh?
The oysters didn't really do anything but piss us off because we were still hungry. So, of course, we got some Japanese food when we got out there. And they had the most beautiful koi pond. Like, I wanted to feed them, but I didn't want to be that person. But they were so big. I just wanted to take one home. Just wanted to take one. I like koi ponds, but that's a big one right there. This was so much fun and so beautiful and peaceful. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. There was a lot of kids around, and I didn't really want to show other people kids like that, but it was nice. My daughter had a good old time. They were blowing bubbles. They had like a little concert area. People teaching the kids how to do like salsa and dances. It was nice. Like, I really want to go back. Maybe check it out in the daytime.
Come over here, mama. What is Haagen-Dazs giving away for this line to be this ridiculously long? I don't want that damn bad.
We wanted some ice cream, but that line was ridiculously long. I don't know if they were giving away free ice cream, but I ain't want it that bad, so on to the next.
Damn!
Damn, boy. I guess they're going just hilarious. See the crowd.
I'm pretty sure it's her and other. Yeah.
While walking around and exploring, we saw that they had an arcade, which was new to us. Like, they had a full-on arcade and bowling alley and a bar, an outside lounge, and a restaurant all in one. Like, it was a hot mess, but it was good for family. The bowling alley was nice and clean, and they had a bar up top of the bowling alley, and they had an outside bar. It was a lot. It was a lot going on. I definitely want to go back with hubby because not me thinking I was in Grand Theft Auto, but you know, I came in sixth. Whatever.
Go, Kite, go! Whoa! Almost had it. Go, girl! Come on, Daddy. Come on.
Girl, if you don't roll that ball, that's all I wanted to say, but I had to be the supportive parent and go ahead, good job. Roll the ball. You're missing it. You're missing it. She eventually got one or two, but it was still cute just to watch her little hands try to roll the big old ball. This place had everything. This building by the parking garage, everything for family, couple, date night, whatever you want to do. I definitely recommend. It was so much fun, and they have a nice outside area downstairs and upstairs.
Camera about to die. Dania Point is literally a vibe. It's literally a whole vibe out here, just chilling. You could just come and hang out at the bar, the restaurant. They have a bar upstairs too. And they play music. They have restaurants, improv.
And that is it. Honestly, today was not planned. We just went to get some groceries and go back home, and we made it to Dania Park. It was fun. It was well needed. Sometimes the best fun you could have is on plan. I know this video was different from the normal videos I put out, but I honestly enjoy it, and I hope you guys do too. See you in my next one. Bye.